Hi, it's Kray, and today I have a tutorial using the new Love Life sentiments from Tonic Studios. The Love Life sentiments come with 8 dies, so you get 5 different words, and you get 3 outer dies, and you get this love sentiment, so this is embossed and it also cuts into the cardstock. 2 of the dies use the same outer edge die, so that's quite clever. And they work together and they also work on their own. So this is a great die set to add to your stash. This is the first of 2 cards in this tutorial today. This is called Love's All You Need. I'm going to put the music on now, so sit back and enjoy. And if I have anything specific that I need to tell you, then I will just nip back in and let you know. Otherwise, I'll see you in a bit. Once the sentiment is added, this card is complete. This is a clean and simple project. There are no embellishments and it is perfect just as it is. My second demonstration is going to be a smaller card, so this is an A2 American size, which is 5.5 inches by 4.25. Although I've written the measurements down on the pieces of paper, and I'm just going to be using 2 sentiments and a little bit of Nuvo. at this point now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that and kisses and cut off the end. So you want to take a little bit of care when you do this, and you want to make sure that you line up that kisses. So you don't want to glue it down yet. You want to make sure that you cut off the edge straight. So I'm going to show you, I'm just going to pull this up in a second and show you that there's actually a little ridge at the top. So let me go in, I'm just going to cut with my scissors now, and then I'm just going to bring it up and show you. So you'll see this this little bump, and that's really important to keep because it flows with the design. So you just want to make sure you've got cut a straight line after that little bump, and then you can go ahead and you can stick that kisses on and you can paper piece. That's the end of my tutorial today. I hope you've enjoyed both of these cards. I actually have a third card on my own YouTube channel, a full tutorial. It's a faux shaker card. So that's one of my favorite cards to make. I really don't like using acetate all that much, and I find that it's much easier to do it this way. So if you want to have a look, just hop on over. Otherwise, it's been really great hanging out with you today. I hope that everybody is well, and I will see you soon.